Hi, this is Sri from Techietalks AI. Today's video is the second video in this series of 12 videos where we'll see how easily we can build an AI chatbot using Streamlit, Pydantic AI, and DeepSeek or OpenAI or Gemini. So in this video, we are going to add a small sophistication to the first video that we saw previously, where we saw a chatbot where it did not have any conversation history. So in this video, will show us how easily we can add conversation history to our AI chatbot. So this is how it's going to work. What is 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 is 4. Can you add 3 more to it? Okay, so it's able to remember the previous interaction. Now, it looks simple because we are all used to ChatGPT, but when we do this ourselves, that is when we build our own chatbot, we need to manage this ourselves. But when we are using Pydantic AI library, it makes it very easy. Okay, so let's see what it takes. The entire code is available in the repo and the URL is provided in the description. You need to git clone the repo. I'm not cloning, I've already done it. After that, cd into Techietalks AI folder and then 003 folder. That is the folder that has all the files needed for this. Remember, we also have the .env file, which should have the API keys. Now, the format for .env is provided in this env example. Okay, so if you look at env example, you will notice that I have provided dummy keys, and populate this with your valid keys and then rename that file as .env. Okay, now how do we run it? We run it by saying docker compose up -d. Okay, so that is it, as simple as that. And once that is done, it starts working. Okay, so let's look at the code and see what are the changes that we need to make. First thing is, we are importing a Pydantic AI class called model message. Okay, so this is the template using which we will create the message history. And when you come down here, we are initializing the message history. If the message history is empty in the session, we are creating an empty list of type model message. Clear? Those are the two changes we saw. Now, one more change that we need to do, that is when we run the agent, we need to pass the message history. Of course, initially this is going to be empty, but subsequent runs, this message history goes on growing, and that happens here. Here, we are storing the message history in the session by calling the extend method of list and passing the new underscore messages of Pydantic AI. This new underscore messages will contain the most recent response from the LLM. And here we are printing it so that we can easily see it for our understanding. So here I am using a print system to print this in the log. Clear? So let's now watch the log. Okay, so here is the log. Let me clear it. Okay, so what is 3 plus 3? If you see the log, you will notice that for this one interaction, we received 3 messages from the chat system. One is our prompt, what is 3 plus 3? Then the final result, 3 plus 3 is 6, and then it says final result is processed. This is an agentic system, Pydantic AI. That is why it responds like this. This will come handy as we proceed, because that this 12-part series video, toward the end, that is final part, we will see how we can have a rack system using PDF document, using website URL, uploading text files, and also a booking system where we can capture customer information and give the customer a booking reference number. So we'll build a fully functional chatbot which you can embed into a website. So these are tiny videos explaining each step at a time. So if you have any questions or suggestions, please come via the comment section of the video, and all the documentation and the code is available. The URL is given in the description. Please like, share and subscribe. See you again with another video. Bye-bye.